Hello friends, welcome to Pro Trading Software. Today once again we see our software performance expert buy sell signal. But before we move on chart and see our software performance, if you new our channel, please subscribe and press bell icon button, and also join our Telegram channel. I give link in below description box for daily updates and tips. Let's move on chart. It is a ME broker charting platform, and it is our expert buy sell signal trading system. As per rules, we never trade in first candle. We trade always a second candle. We check our confirmation condition. All condition are match our dashboard in favor, and candlestick also in favor. Price above trailing stop loss, and histogram intraday trend ribbon also in our favor. Then we buy and place stop loss below this candle for a safe our capital. And after that, Nifty made a high approx 11,917 rupees. After that, market reverse, and price here we exit our buy call and wait for all condition match in for sale call. And this candle all condition are matched, and this candle low is 11,821.40. We sell below this low point, and next candle break this point and we sell approx 11,820. And after our sale, Nifty made low 11,675. So guys, today we made 145 point profit in Nifty future, and made 20 point loss, and less our loss in our profit. Then we made 120 point profit in Nifty future in intraday. It's a great profit, friends. So friend, let's move on next chart. Look guys, it is a Bank Nifty future chart, and today Bank Nifty future first 5-minute candle is very big. That's why we not trade in buy side in Bank Nifty future. We wait for a reversal or retracement, and here is the retracement, but here is no complete condition matched for buying side. So we wait for all condition come in our favor, but market reverse and all condition in our favor here in sell side. Then we go for sale below 24,347 below. We sell below this price, and Nifty future made low after our sale 24,026 rupees. It is great profit, 300 point profit approx, and intraday it's very great profit for intraday players. And now we move on our jackpot call. It's a SBI future chart today. So guys, look, it is a SBI chart, and as per our software rules, we never trade on first candle. So we wait for second candle, and in this candle we check all our condition in our favor, and below this candle low I'll say 193.90. I also give this call in a Telegram channel, and after our sale SBI made low 188.85. If we count approx 4 to 5 point profit we made on SBI future, and SBI future lot is 3000. It means we made 15,000 profit in single lot SBI and future chart. For intraday it is a great profit. Let's move on next chart. We not made trade on first candle, after that second candle, and here this candle Tata Motor, all condition are match and our favor, and we buy 370 100 370.55 price level, and after our buy Tata Motors cash made high 143.25, approx 5.5 to 6 point profit, and after a buy call market go down, and our sale condition match here, and we take entry in this candle. But look guys, here is the histogram is green, so wait for next candle. We sell this candle low below, and this candle low is 137.10, and after our sale Tata Motors made low 133.50. It means that 4 point more profit. Today we made total 9 point profit in Tata Motor. Look at the DLF chart, same performance, high return 163.25 below we sale, and it's made low 155.50, approx 8 point profit we made on DLF future. And look guys, here the Infertrail future, all condition in our favor. We sell 188.55 below, and after our sale Infratrail made low 184.15. It means 6 point profit. It means that 4 point profit we made in today Infratrail. If you trade so guys, if you trade in according to our trading system, our expert buy sell signal trading system, you also made a great profit. That moves for Apollo Tyre. And look here guys, we never trade on first candle, and we enter a trade here, all condition in our favor for Apollo Tyre, and we sell below 147.90, and after that today Apollo Tyre made low 142.55. It means 5 point profit in Apollo Tyre, a great profit once again in intraday. If friends you also get this type of profit, come and join and buy this software, and made daily profit in intraday, and save your capital and enjoy your profit. So friend, this was the performance of our software today, and if you also want to make regular profit, then you must buy this system as soon as possible and add it to your trading tools and make regular profit. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.